are you? Welcome to Naveen sir class. In previous class we discussed bar graph, cryptograph and pie chart, mean, median, mode. These all we discussed. Today we will revise the topic of data handling. Data is nothing but collection of information, handling is nothing but organizing the data. So the definition of data: information which is in the form of numbers or words and help in taking decisions and or drawing conclusions. By drawing the conclusions is called data. So we are collecting the information. The collection of information is called as a data. So this data is in various types, that is in numbers or words or in pictures. Here now, frequency. The number of times an observation of data is written is called frequency of that observation. So here, after collecting the data, we have observations. If we number of times we are taking the observation, the number of times is called as a frequency. So here number of times of an observation of given data is called a frequency. Now tally marks. Tally marks are used to write the frequency. So here we are using the tally marks for frequency, to show the frequency of an observation. So tally marks are written in a group of 5. So actually the tally marks will show as a standing lines. The tally marks will show as a standing lines. If the observations are more, we will represent the tally marks as a group of 5. As a group of 5, the fifth line is drawn to cross the 4 lines. So if we have a 6 observations or 5 observations, so first we will draw 4 lines, and the fifth line we should cross the 4 lines like this. Then it is called as a group of 5 tally marks. And if they given 7 observations, then we should draw 4 lines, and fifth line we should across these 4 lines. Then it is 5 and remaining 2 lines. Then like this will represent 7 observations frequency by using tally marks. So the tally marks are representing, denoted by standing lines. This is, if the frequency has more, then we will represent the tally marks as a group of 5. So first we will draw the 4 lines, and fifth line we should across the 4 lines. Then it is called as a group of 5 lines. Now this is about the data, frequency and tally marks. Children, we will observe many joint families in our surroundings. Look at the picture. What are you seeing in this image? Yes, it is a joint family. So by using joint family, we will prepare the data. So that data, how we will write as a frequency and tally marks? By category wise. So category is nothing but, so the joint family I divide as a categories: boys, girls, and men. So now we will write the frequency of a joint family and as well as tally max of joint family. So here, how many boys are there? Let us count. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys. So what is the observation here? Boy. Boy is an observation. Then that observation we are taking as a number of times. It is called a frequency. So we are writing number of times of an observation is called a frequency. So how many boys are there? 3 boys. So 3 is called as a frequency about boys. Now tally marks. How will we write tally marks? By using lines, standing lines. So here 3 boys we represent it with 3 standing lines. Now girls, how many girls are there? Yes, only one girl, one observation. Then frequency is 1. Then tally mark is also 1 standing line. And next women. Let us count how many women are there. Yes, total 7. 7 women are there. How many women are there? 7 women are there. Then here observation is women. Then how many times we are taking the observation? 7 times. Then this is called as a frequency. So now these 7 will represent as a tally marks. So first 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tally marks we will write as a group of 5. After 4 lines, 5th line we should cross the 4 lines. Then it is called as a group of line 5. Then 5 tally marks we took. Remaining 2. Then 2 we should draw separately. Now men. How many men are there in the picture? Yes, 6. 6 men are there. 6 men. 6 men are there. Then these men is an observation. How many number of times? 6 times. Then it is frequency. Now tally marks. Same. First we should draw 4 standing lines. 5th line we should cross the 4 lines. It is a group of 5. And remaining 1 line we should draw separately. So like this, the given data we will write frequency and tally marks. Here the total table is called as a frequency distribution table. So this total table is called as a frequency distribution table. So frequency distribution is table nothing but a table is showing frequency or count of various data items of the frequency is called frequency distribution table. So the given data will represent as many ways as a bar graph, as a pictograph and pie charts. So there are different ways to represent the given data. Pictograph. About pictograph, the definition of pictograph is the representation of data in the form of pictures is called pictograph. So pictograph is nothing but the given data we are representing as a pictures. We are showing as a pictures. It is called as a pictograph. So if the numbers are more, if the data has more numbers, then it will be very difficult to draw so many pictures. If the given number of data is more than given, then what we will do? Is it draw two pictures? No. It is very difficult to draw the pictures. So in a situation, if the data has more numbers, we can represent more than one item through a single picture. So by using a single picture, we will represent more than one item of the same similar pictures. It is also known as a scale. So it is also known as a scale. So if if the numbers are more in the given data, the numbers are more, the pictures are more. So we have to draw difficult. So here difficult to draw. In this situation, what we will do? We will represent the more number of data by a single picture to represent more than one item. By using single picture, same picture, we will show the more than one item. So it is called as a, it is known as also scale. We represent as here. We are discussing about the pictograph. They given the data, cloths, different types of cloth they given: trouser, t-shirt, skirt, short, shirt, and frock. And number of cloth. How many trousers are there? 48 trousers, 72 t-shirts, and 36 skirts, and 84 shorts, 72 shirts, and 96 frocks they given. So here we have to draw pictograph for given data. So can we draw? No. Why? Because here numbers are more. If the numbers are more, it is very difficult to draw the pictures. In this situation, what we will do? Yes, we will select a scale. Here, each picture, a cloth represents 12 cloths. So we have each trouser, each t-shirt, skirt, short, shirt, frock, each picture of cloth, it will represent 12 number of cloths. So we will measure as a scale. One picture of cloth is equal to the 12 cloths. Now, look at here cloths and then number of cloths. So first trousers. How many trousers are there? 48. So 48 trousers we are representing with a picture of trousers, but each picture of trouser is equal to the 12 trousers. Now let us count how many trousers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 trousers are there. Then each trouser will represent 12 trousers. Each trouser represents 12 trousers. Then here having 4 pictures of trousers. Then 12 fours are 48 trousers. Next t-shirt. So here total number of t-shirts are 72. Then look at here. How many pictures of t-shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pictures of t-shirts are there. Then each picture of t-shirt will represent 12 t-shirts. Then 12 into 6, 72 t-shirts. Again we will go. Next, skirt. How many skirts are there? 36 skirts are there. So these 36 skirts will represent as a pictures. So same this each skirt will represent is a equal to the 12 skirts. See here, look at this. How many pictures of skirts are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 2 pictures of skirts are there. Then each picture represent 3. So sorry, each picture represent 12 skirts. Then 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. And next shorts are 84. Then in same manner the shorts also, each picture of short will represent 12 number of cloths. Then look Look at here, how many pictures of shorts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 pictures of shorts are there. Then each picture of short is represent 12 shorts. Then 12 into 7, 84 number of shorts. And their shirts same manner. T-shirts and shirts both are same. Then here 6 t-shirts are there. Pictures of t-shirts are 6. Then shirts also 6. Then next frock. Last one is frock. So total number of frocks are 96. Then 96. That frocks will represent how many pictures? Let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pictures of frocks are there. Then each picture of frock represent 12 frocks. Then 12 8s are 96 frocks. Total 96 frocks. In this way, we will represent the pictograph by using pictures.